Hello, this is Esther.
Alfred here.
We're going to take you around, driving around while we run our errands on this Sunday. The first stop is going to be the chestnut guy. Then where are we going to go? We're going to
go up to Viagrande to see what's cooking up there. And then we have to figure out what we want to eat. So we'll go to the Marchetto.
Sounds good to me. Wow, beautiful day. Look at that. Looks like Mama Edna is exploding.
We're in Aci San Filippo right now. It's the town next door to Aci Catena.
We're about ready to go around the roundabout.
Yep.
Is that right?
The person in the roundabout has a right of way. The shark's teeth over here, maybe he's supposed to stop. But that guy inside has a roundabout. No one ever pays attention to it.
Lots of these all over.
See that guy right there? He just broke the law. Scoff law.
It's making chestnuts. What else? Selling local wine. Look at that. Going to Viagrande. Here we are in Viagrande. Beautiful little town.
See if we can find a parking space.
Oh yeah, good luck with that. This place is always cool. It has a really, really great stuff over here. Chestnuts, more chestnuts, and all these roasted things. Ciao! No parking anywhere. San Antonio de Padua. Little chapel. Here's one of our favorite restaurants, Piccolo Mundo. Look at these beautiful Spanish palaces. They used to be Spanish palaces. Crazy, I'm very busy. Oops, this person's trying. Ooh, look at that pink car. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Wow. Alright, I'm going to take you over here to our fruit and vegetable place. The season for pears. Of the small pears. Ooh. Cacomella. Persimmons and
Listen, the oranges look pretty good here, huh?
And the pomegranates.
Maybe you ought to get some. Maybe you ought to get a few oranges. These are pomegranates. Where are you?
I'm right here.
There you go.
The pomegranates and.
Oh, we were just talking about that yesterday, weren't we?
And look at the prickly pears. New cook, huh? She's making the mushrooms. Roasted mushrooms, but whoa, look at this. Sausage sandwich, all kinds of roasted items. Peppers, melanzani, eggplant. Looking good. Ciao. Ciao. That sausage sandwich looks Ciao. You know what he's doing? He's splitting the chestnuts so they open up nice and easy. And here they are ready. Looking good. Okay, now I'm going to take you inside. Here are the Etna apples. Oh, got everything here. Great selection of local nuts, pistachios, chestnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, more almonds, pumpkin seeds, and the beans. All the beans. Ooh, even peanuts up there. And back here is the wine. Rosso, Bianco. They put it in these plastic bottles, put a label on it, and sell it. Busy, busy, busy. Look at the Nero de Avola. I got some broccoli rabi. Nice greens. figs, dried figs. Love all the local cheese and olives, sun-dried tomatoes, all types of goodies here. And of course, honey from Etna, local wine, ciao, the new cook, chestnuts roasting. Loving that pink car. Trying to get a roasted chicken somewhere, but there's lines everywhere. Here's the main square in Valverde. Now we're going to go get some bread at the Beneficio, but actually they sell much more than just bread. They even have a tavola calda with the little pizzas. Some delicious takeout meals with, looks like hot dog, spinach over there, some more cheese. Back there, there's pizza with potatoes, which is really popular here, even with French fries. Some biscotti, ciao, buongiorno, biscacciata and arancini. There's all types of sweets made with Nutella and cream and marmalade. Here's the bread, freshly made bread. So there you go. A peek inside of our bread place. Focaccia over there looking good, huh? Gonna go to Paghi Poco, which means pay little, a local supermarket. Busy here today, huh? Here's their fruit and vegetable section. Quite a good selection, but not as good as the fruit and vegetables at the small market. Alright, next I want to take you over here to the Salumeria. Take a number. They've got a great collection of cheese and olives and all types. Buongiorno. Of course, over there, prosciutto, ham, salamis, also smoked turkey. They do a great takeout here. Look at the caponata, the parmigiana, some kind of rolled meat, chicken, swordfish. Ooh, the mushrooms look amazing. That I'm already thinking, oh, I'm gonna change my menu to something they have here. Great little place for takeout. They even have the chicken that I wanted initially. I don't know, maybe we'll still stick with the chicken. What would you have? Leave us a comment. Which one of these dishes would you like to have? They also have this section full of Sicilian products. Here we have pesto and crema de pistachio, almond milk, latte di mandorla. These beautiful descriptions on them. Salsa pronti Siciliano. Here's the pasta aisle. Literally the entire aisle. All different types of pasta. Also on this side. Around now is when they start putting out the mortadella. This one is a small one, believe it or not. Usually they're huge. The good part about the supermarket is that you can also come here and get your fish. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. You can get salmon, orata, spigola, sea bass, sea bream, and he cleans it right up for you. Great collection of scampi and gambero, shrimp. There's the calamari, swordfish galore. And here's the bacala. which I'm going to attempt to make today. Or is this stocco? Bacala and stocco, both of them. On the road. Now we're all stocked up. Food, chestnuts, got the roasted chicken. What else? Lots of vegetables. What was your favorite part?
Starting the car with you in it, Esther. It's like a movable feast. Hemingway wrote a book about it. I should write a book about it.
You wrote 4 books already on.
Yeah, but I should write one. A movable feast with the bun stuff.
Sounds good to me. What was your favorite part? Leave us a comment, subscribe to our YouTube, and see you in another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao.
Ciao.